And in essence, litigation funding are third parties investing in litigation or in cases to drive a high rate of return on those cases to make money for them. We've seen the growth in the industry beginning in 2020, $11.3 billion, and now in 2023, it's $15.2 billion. These investors are advertising 30% rate of return. We are fortunate that the government has taken notice of this funding because there have been some institutions and governments outside the U.S. that have taken note of the potential returns and have invested in U.S. litigation funding. We are actively working to have transparency in this issue and control what we are seeing in the courtroom.